Hello, grade 7. I hope you are all fine. We are going to correct the homework that was given last week concerning the solar system. So first, facts about Mercury. In Roman mythology, Mercury is the god of commerce, travel, and thievery, the Roman counterpart of the Greek god Hermes, the messenger of the gods. The planet received this name because it moves so quickly across the sky. Mercury is a small planet which orbits closer to the Sun than any other planet in our solar system. Mercury has no moons. Mercury's surface is very hot. It features a barren, crater-covered surface which looks similar to Earth's moon. Mercury is so close to the Sun, the daytime temperature is scorching, reaching over 400 degrees Celsius. At night, however, without an atmosphere to hold heat in, the temperatures plummet, dropping to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has a very low surface gravity and it has no atmosphere, which means there's no wind or weather to speak of. It also has no water or air on the surface. And this is Mercury's symbol. Now, how many moons does Mercury have? And the answer is Mercury has no moons. 2. Why was the planet Mercury named after the Roman god? And the answer is the planet was named after the Roman god since it moves quickly across the sky. And 3. Mercury's surface looks similar to what moon? And the answer is it looks similar to Earth's moon. 4. What is Mercury's temperature at night? And the answer is minus 100 degrees Celsius. And why is there no weather or wind in Mercury? It's because Mercury has no atmosphere, which means there's no weather or wind. And what is Mercury's temperature during daytime? And the answer is 400 degrees Celsius. So these are the facts about Mercury. Now, Venus. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It's the brightest object in the sky besides our Sun and the Moon. It also has no moons, and it is known as the morning star because at sunrise it appears in the east, and it is known as the evening star because it appears at sunset when it is in the west. It cannot be seen in the middle of the night. Venus and Earth are close together in space and similar in size, which is the reason why Venus is called Earth's sister planet. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet. It is the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The temperature on the surface of Venus is about 460 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere of Venus is composed of carbon dioxide. The surface is heated by radiation from the Sun, but the heat cannot escape through the clouds and layers of carbon dioxide. This is a greenhouse effect used for plants and stuff on Earth. And this is Venus's symbol. Now, how many moons does Venus have? Venus has no moons, just like Mercury. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of grace and peace, love and beauty, hope and eternity, and the answer is love and beauty. Venus is the blank planet from the Sun, and the answer is the second planet from the Sun. Now, what is the temperature of Venus' surface? And the answer is about 460 degrees Celsius. Why is Venus called Earth's sister planet? Venus is called Earth's sister planet because they are close together in space and are similar in size. And what is the atmosphere of Venus composed of? It's composed of carbon dioxide. Now, facts about Earth. All of the planets, except for Earth, were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. The name Earth is an Old English and German name which simply means soil. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It has one moon. It is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface, and it's the only planet in the solar system that has life. The Earth is fragile. Its surface is split into plates, and they float on a rocky mantle. The layer between the surface of the Earth, its crust, and its hot liquid core. The inside of the Earth is active, and earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain building takes place along the boundaries of the tectonic plates. The Earth is larger than Mercury, Venus, and Mars, the planets closest to it. The Earth differs from all other planets because it has such a wide diversity of life and intelligent beings. This has only been possible because of Earth's atmosphere, which has protected the Earth and allowed life to flourish. What does the name Earth mean? It means soil. Now, Earth is the third planet, and Earth's surface is split into plates. What are these plates called? They are called tectonic plates. Number 4, Earth is larger than what other 3 planets? And the answer is Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Now list 2 facts of how Earth is different from other planets. This is an open answer. You can say that it has liquid water, it has a diversity of life, it has a unique atmosphere that allows life to exist on Earth. How many moons does Earth have? And the answer is 1 moon. Now, facts about Mars. Mars was named after the Roman god of war. It is also described as the red planet because it is covered with rust-like dust. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is the 2nd smallest planet in the solar system. Now, it has 2 moons, and it looks a lot like our home, though instead of blue oceans and green lands, Mars is home to an ever-present red tint. This is due to a mineral called iron dioxide that is very common on the planet's surface. Mars has many massive volcanoes and is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. It stands 21 kilometers high and is 600 kilometers across the base. Mars has seasons like Earth too. These seasons are much longer than Earth's seasons because Mars is so much farther from the Sun. Mars experiences violent dust storms which continually change its surface. Mars has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This is not thick enough to trap the Sun's heat like Venus, so the planet is very cold. Temperatures range from minus 120 degrees Celsius on winter nights to 25 degrees Celsius in the summer. And this is the symbol of Mars. Now, because Mars has rust-like dust, it's also known as the red planet. What is Mars' atmosphere mostly made up of? And the answer is carbon dioxide. Name the mineral that causes Mars to have an ever-present red tint. It's the iron oxide. What is the name of the solar system's largest volcano? It's Olympus Mons. And why do seasons last longer on Mars? It's because it's farther from the Sun. And Mars is the 4th planet in the solar system. Now we are going to complete the checking of the homework in another video.